Hello guys, welcome to Mathiit. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് എക്സാം സ്ട്രാറ്റജി, അതായത് JEE മെയിൻ പേപ്പർ എങ്ങനെ അറ്റംപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇപ്പം ടു സ്റ്റാർട്ട് വിത്ത് സം ഡൂസ് ആൻഡ് ഡോൺസ് അബൌട്ട് അറ്റംപ്റ്റിംഗ് ദ JEE മെയിൻ പേപ്പർ, കുറച്ച് കോമൺ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് എന്തോന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, പ്രോബ്ലംസ് എല്ലാം സോൾവ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അവസാനം മാത്രം ബബിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് എ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക്. That will actually take more time than if you were to attempt the problem and bubble it immediately. Also, you will nearly always miscalculate. There is a huge risk of miscalculating the time required to bubble everything. For avasanam, there will be questions which you will not be able to bubble or which you will bubble wrongly. So don't do that. So if you get an answer, bubble it immediately. And don't bubble them in chronological order. We will get to that later. But you look at the question number and bubble it accordingly. Second mistake that students make is they will attempt, if one paper agate, let's take it maths or something, they will give 90 minutes to the entirety of maths. That is again another mistake. That is not how you attempt the paper. Adyam physics mujvan attempt either. Pinna maths mujvan attempt either. Pinna mujvan chemistry. Don't do that. So the way you actually have to attempt the paper is in 3 rounds. First, you attempt all the easy questions of physics, maths and chemistry. Preferably in the order physics, chemistry, maths. From round 1, you spend around 60 to 70 minutes solving easy questions. Easy questions in the direct NCERT facts, direct substitution, one-step numericals. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ you attempt first. ആൻസർ ഒരു 30 to 40 സെക്കൻഡ്സിനകം കിട്ടുമെന്ന് തോന്നിയാൽ മാത്രമേ അറ്റംപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാവൂ. സ്റ്റക്ക് ആവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ മാർക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് ഈസി ആൻഡ് സ്കിപ്പ്. Round 2-ൽ you deal with the medium questions. So medium questions എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ questions that have like 2 to 3 steps that are common JEE main models, or questions that are familiar. You have done similar problems but they require a little bit of thinking. Medium level questions, path clear aanengil you attempt even if the calculation is a little bit lengthy. Don't worry about that. This you spend around 70 to 80 minutes total for all physics, chemistry and maths. Round 3-ൽ മാത്രമേ നിങ്ങൾ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലംസ് അറ്റംപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. Round 3, you give it around 25 to 30 minutes. That is sufficient. For round 3, you attempt the lengthy maths problems, the tricky physics problems and the ones with the confusing options. Tricky questions വരുമ്പോൾ a lot of other students will not be able to solve them either. So when it comes to difficult problems, accuracy is very important. Unless you are sure of the answer, do not bubble it. Okay, so we will give you some score booster techniques, some strategy to help you increase your marks besides this. If in physics, you start with the scoring topics. Especially round 1, round 2, you deal with the scoring topics such as modern physics, such as current electricity. And if there are long derivations, long calculations, skip it in the first 2 rounds. From physics, one important tip I can give you is don't over calculate. Physics, JEE main physics is about speed, not necessarily about depth. When it comes to chemistry, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനെ 3 ഭാഗങ്ങളായിട്ട് സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, 3 ടോപ്പിക്കായിട്ട് സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇനോർഗാനിക്, ഓർഗാനിക് ആൻഡ് ഫിസിക്കൽ. Physical, in the first 2 rounds, you handle formula-based questions. Inorganical, there will be direct NCERT questions. Look out for them. And organical, focus on named reactions and a reaction mechanism. If you have done sufficient preparation for JEE main chemistry, usually your first instinct will be correct. Don't overthink chemistry. Now when it comes to mathematics, the ugly integrals, the complex ആയിട്ടുള്ള integralsum and difficult lengthy conic sections. Conic sections is actually a scoring topic. And coordinate geometry is a scoring topic, but in the first round, you skip the lengthy coordinate geometry problems. And in maths, accuracy is the most important thing, not the number of attempts. So in mathematics, out of 25 questions, if you can attempt 12 to 14 questions correctly, that is enough. Numericals very bold. If you get a clean value, answer it immediately. But if you are getting a decimal, then be careful with the rounding. Round off correctly as per instructions. Okay, that is generally it. If you are feeling stuck in any question for more than 90 seconds, you skip it. And you have to understand that one bad question which you are confused, which depresses you, does not mean that you are going to have a bad paper. If you get stuck emotionally, then reset your breathing, close your eyes, spend 10 seconds breathing, and then continue attacking the paper again. So if you follow these tips, your JEE mains should go really well. So best of luck for your JEE mains.